Yes.
So I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
It started sharing and yes.
Is it visible?
Yes, yes, yes. Go ahead.
Okay. And am I audible also?
Yes, you are.
Okay. So good evening. Namaste everyone. Myself Sonali Srivastava. I am from Pune. So I was a part of RYB 08 batch which just ended on 31st May, and this was the vision board which I presented on 31st May. So first I would like to pay my heartfelt gratitude to all the RYB mentors, because if you see myself now, I mean before this RYB batch started, I was a person, if I have to speak someone face to face, I am very confident. But if I have to face a camera and speak to just two people also, it was like a nightmare to me. I used to tremble. So after getting lot of assignments from RYB, from all the mentors, and presenting my vision board, that has given a very different confidence to me. And I don't know how I have achieved, but this 21 days journey has transformed me, totally transformed me. So I'll go through my vision board. In the center of the vision board, if you see, this is a picture of myself which says that I will be an iron woman. Yes, I am. I have always been a strong woman, and I want to be always like to be a strong and inspiring woman to all the people who are around me. This is a quotation which I have been following since my childhood, after looking at a magazine wherein Martina Navratilova was holding a trophy, and this is the quotation which says that success is sweet but its secret is sweat. So I always believe that whatever success you want to achieve, it is like hard work is the key to it, and of course persistent and determination plays a very important role. And this picture which says that enjoy little things. Yes, I am always a happy person, and I rarely get depressed even in the oddest of the situation. And yes, I overcome whatever situation is there. I try to overcome it in a very short span of time. And I don't like to gain sympathy from people. People should always see me as a happy and strong woman. Now I visualize myself. This is a picture with a mic in my hand and a trophy in the other hand, and I would like to see myself only as a woman of substance. And this is a picture of me standing on a dais, visualizing me as an eminent speaker and inspiring a lot of people. Now, coming to my financial goals, uh, uh, I would like to reveal that I am an banker and IT consultant, and as of now, I am a career coach. So I want to be a number one and respected career coach. Not only in terms of earning money, but I want people to perceive me as a respected person, who is like an ethical person, counseling students based on their aptitude, attitude, their personality trait and interest, and not not how they have been affected or influenced by their peers or by parents. So it has to be a judicious consulting thing, wherein the parents also think, yeah, that is the right decision, and it doesn't end with one consultation. They should remember me throughout my life. So I want to earn that kind of respect. Coming to my income, I as per my vision board, and yes, I am going in this direction. I want an active income of 4 lakhs per month starting from December 2021, and a passive income of 1 lakh per month starting from December 2021, which is through stocks, mutual funds, blogs, social media influencing. Yes, of course, I am getting a part of this passive income at the moment through share trading and mutual funds, and I want to increase it up to 1 lakh per month. My dream is to have my own office by December 2022, and this has to be through my own earnings only. I don't want to be dependent on anyone to get this office space. So that is my dream. And my another dream is to have a farmhouse by December 2025, wherein I can go and just relax. So Before RYB, I was a person like I was very content, thinking that yeah, I worked for 21. I worked for 21 years, and yeah, whatever I am doing, I was doing at my own pace without any direction. So RYB has given me complete direction that how I want to achieve and by when I want to achieve. Otherwise, I was like whatever was going at whatever pace, I was happy with it. A very content kind of person. So after this, I have seen a lot of change in myself. I am like giving my full energy now into whatever I have been doing. Coming to my social goals. So this is, I will tell you what miracle has happened. It has been only 9 days after RYB, but there have been a lot of miracles within this 9 days period. My first social goal is, which is aligned to my career, that is counseling underprivileged students. So yes, there are many underprivileged students who have got the potential, but then they are left directionless. There is no one to guide them. So once this pandemic situation is over and the schools go into offline mode, I would be approaching the schools and holding counseling sessions for these students, so that they get a right direction, whether it is vocational education also, so that they don't end up taking whatever labor work their parents have been doing. Now my goal is to donate 10% of whatever income, which yes, I have been doing, and I'll be continuing with that. My mission is to start my own NGO for underprivileged kids. Now my second social goal, which is financial literacy for females. So I would like to, being an ex-banker, I have seen many cases wherein females coming to the bank and having the male member, the death or you can say permanent disability of the male member in their family. So there have been a lot of cases. These females used to come to me, say, and clueless, whatever, they were not even aware whatever is there in the family, what bank accounts, what kind of insurance, medical insurance, and even at times there was no nominee in the account and the family member passed away, and they had to run around advocates and everything to get the affidavit, stamp paper, all the work done, and then struggling to settle down everything. So this has shattered me, and I want to make females aware about what is financial literacy. So being financially independent and literate, there is a huge difference. There are many people who are financially independent, but then they are not financially literate. So that is my mission. Now I would like to come to this miracle. I presented this vision board on the 31st of May. And 1st June, I got a call from an NGO which is at international level. They asked me that if you can do something for women empowerment. I said, as in what? So they asked me what are your ideas, and I gave this mission. I discussed this mission of mine, and they were like, "Yeah, this is a wonderful idea, and it has never been covered through us." So they immediately after this, after 4 days, they arranged for a webinar with 300 plus ladies, and that too all educated ladies, doctors, professors, engineers. And I was like shaking, that being my first webinar on a big platform. So when I practiced for this webinar, it went only for 20 minutes, and I was wondering what I'm going to do in for one and a half hour session. And believe me, when I started presenting, I still wonder how I was so confident, and everyone was appreciating for each and every point. And after this, and it went for 1.5 hours non-stop, and I was the only speaker in the entire webinar. So this is thanks to RYB. This is like a miracle. And after this, I got a call from 3-4 NGOs asking to do the same webinar on their platform. And the same NGO now they have invited me next Saturday also to do an advanced part of this. So even a lot of doctors and all, they want they are like, we want to continue the same topic, cover the same topic in the Doctors Association across India. So will you be able to do it? So I am surprised. I don't know how I got this energy and this confidence. And now I am like, yeah, I am ready. I am prepared with the topic. So I don't have to prepare anything. This was a confidence which I did not expect from me only. So my heartfelt thanks to RYB, and otherwise I would have never thought of it. And my third mission is, this is a picture which says let's talk, because at times there are many instances, especially with females, they feel very low, depressed, but they don't know whom to talk to. So based on my experiences, my family members, my colleagues, my juniors, my even at times my seniors also, whenever they wanted to speak to someone after speaking to me about their personal problems and all, they always were like, you are an inspiration. After talking to you, we feel so free, and we are at the same time we are assured that you are going to keep everything confidential. So people had this confidence on me. So I thought, why not take it to a larger platform wherein they know that there is someone and they can talk to. So these are my social goals in life. Coming to my health goals is like, for me health is like, it's not only physical health but whole mind, body and soul. So I like to keep my family healthy. I have thyroid levels, which of course we had health sessions also during the RYB sessions, 3 sessions. And yes, of course, I am following those, and I'm trying to get my thyroid levels in control, which is also led to a lot of weight gain. So my objective is to at least go down till 454 kgs. Now again, to coming to mental health, I have been reading, but yes, not to that extent. So even got a lot of recommendation from Chauhan sir, who is an RYB mentor. So he has given me a list of books which I have already ordered. And yes, of course, I have started giving at least 1 hour per day in reading books, and I want to continue with that. This is a picture showing a healthy food, which of course my daughters, both into teenagers, they are like very fuzzy about eating, but I try to maintain a balance and giving at least 40 minutes. So immediately after RYB, I started walking for 30 minutes and doing yoga and meditation for some time, which of course I need to increase now. And yeah, there were a few sessions also which were covered under RYB, which is like, so my learning involves, I need to learn a lot of social media influencing thing, and I want to be confident speaker, which journey I've already started, yes, but still a lot to be gained. And now coming to relationships, this is a picture of my family, which depicts a happy family enjoying vacation. So yes, we have traveled a lot, but still there are a lot of travel destinations which are uncovered, and we will just try to cover up after this restrictions gets lifted. This is my elder daughter, who is a skilled Bharatanatyam dancer. She's 15 years, and along with her education, I want to see her as a renowned dancer, because that is her passion. And though she is the youngest in her batch, but her guru is like, she is my right hand. And yes, of course, I want to give my entire academy and everything, I want to hand over to her, being her favorite. And this is a very blurred picture. Yes, of course, my younger daughter, who is a squash player, she's played at national levels also, but now due to pandemic, the tournaments are not being happening. But I want to see her as a #1 squash player representing India at various international levels. And I want her to get a lot of awards. And yes, India being looked up as, yeah, a country which is good at squash. Coming to my now, this is another part of my relationships, which is a picture with my school friends, my class photographs, and we had few reunions. But I intend to have a reunion with my friends every year at least, and try to meet them as frequently as possible, because friends are someone who gives you total freedom to be yourself. So yeah, this is all about my vision board. And once again, thanks to my RYB mentors. And I would like to end with 4 lines. That is, woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you so much.